This video shows how to create a 3-photo capture event and then allow the user to choose which one of the 3 photos they would like to print. So let's start right from the beginning. We will create a photo capture event and we're going to go through the wizard. So 3 photos. After each photo, do you want it to be shown to the user? I'll say no. I want them to be printed and I want to ask the user. So I'm going to choose my printer and let's choose a photo layout. Christmas, let's go for a Christmas theme, so we'll go for this one. So as you can see, I've just chosen the option for 1 photo on here, even though we are going to be taking 3 photos for each user, and I'll explain why a bit later on. We'll have a thank you screen. Let's choose an image. Let's go for a Christmas theme, that one. Okay, and I'll stick with these button styles. And we'll go for English. Let's go for webcam, just for the purposes of this demo. So Rightmove will now create an event. Now you get a message here to say that the print layout does not contain enough placeholders for all the photos. Now that's not a problem, let's just say OK to that. Right, let's just go into the designer for a minute. Just to speed things up a bit, I'm going to get rid of the Get Ready screen. I'm going to keep the countdown screen. And I think we're ready to have a look at the design now. Let's go into the editor. So here's the webcam feed. I won't bother editing lots here. Let's just have a look at the photo options screen. Now by default you get to see the print layout. You've got a print button here and you've got a finished button here, and we have the 3 placeholders. So I'm going to delete those 3. Let's make this a bit bigger. And let's put these here. So by default, when the user goes through this event and they get to the options screen, it will print the first photo that they've taken out of the 3. They don't get the option to look at the other 2. But we want to allow them the option of looking at the other 2. So let's add a button. I'll put it up here. And I'm going to add some text. Let's put that there. Let's edit that and just say use another photo. Let's just size that. Okay, so now we need to give these 2 items an actions. Let's start with the button. Let's look at properties. It's a click action, and the action is reorder photos. We need to do the same on this one. Action, click action, reorder photos. Okay, so what this reorder photos does is it actually cycles through all the 3 photos one after another. So it will actually substitute this template here for photo 2 when you click it once, click it again, click this again, and you'll get photo 3. So let's just see how this works in practice. Let me exit, save this, and I'll play the event. Okay, click the mouse, first photo, second photo, third photo, we're then on to the photo options screen, and as you can see we are being shown photo number 1 in the print layout. Let's try clicking this. Rightmove now puts photo number 2 in here. Let's try again. Photo number 3, and this just cycles round until they're happy with the photo that they want. So we'll go for photo 3. When they're happy, click print. You get the thank you screen, and then it brings you back to the start screen for the next user. A quick look in the editor. Let's have a look at the print layout. So just to say that this layout is completely customizable, and it's showing just placeholder 1 here, but you can move things around, you can add things, you can add text, you can even change the actual layout itself by going to look for another one. So it's fairly flexible, and obviously you could do this with more than one photo placeholder. So you could have photos 1 and 2 in here, and they could cycle around 1 and 2, or 2 and 3, or 1 and 3. So this reorder photos is quite useful for allowing the guest to select which photos they want to print when the number of photo placeholders on the layout is less than the number of photos that they've taken. So I hope you find that useful, and thanks for watching.